Let's listen to English dialogues for beginners. Taxi in the city.
Dialogue 1. Getting directions.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Can you tell me how to get to Central Park?
Sure thing. Just go straight down this street, take a left at the big fountain, and you'll see the park entrance.
Thanks a lot. Is it far?
Nah, you'll get there in about 15 minutes on foot.
Great. Thanks again.
You're welcome. But you know what? It might be easier to catch a taxi.
Maybe you're right. Do you know where I can get one?
Right there, at the corner. There's usually a stand there.
Want to see more videos like this? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Dialogue 2. Getting a taxi. You are talking to the taxi driver.
Hi there. Can you take me to Central Park?
Of course! Just hop in. I'll start the meter.
How much do you think it'll be?
Hard to say exactly, but probably around $10 to $15.
Sounds good. How long do you think it will take to get there?
If the traffic is good, around 7 minutes.
Okay. Could you turn on the AC?
Absolutely.
By the way, I'm new here. Any cool places I should check out?
Oh, there's the Royal Museum, the famous bridge, and don't forget the best pizza joint downtown.
Nice! I'll have to try that pizza.
Dialogue 3. Payment.
Can you drop me here?
Sure thing.
How much do I owe you?
Let me check. $12.50.
You are handing money.
Keep the change. Thanks for the ride and the tips.
Appreciate it. Enjoy your time in the city. If you need another ride, just give a shout.
Will do. Thanks again.
For more English dialogues for beginners, check out appava.com. Also, check out this video. It will help you to improve your English right now.